Yeah, hi, Mr. Shah, it's Mr. Miles, FMAV. Right, okay, so basically, I've taken this apart again, I've checked it, I've double checked it. I cannot find any faults on this, okay? And I have personally tested 7, 8 different CDs, and I've got no errors, nothing. It's perfect, absolutely perfect. So I think there could be an error somewhere else. Maybe your jukebox isn't lining up. You know, if it's working on some, it's not working on others. I think there's more likely to be a problem with I don't know, maybe the shuffling on the, the CDs where it's higher or something. It needs adjusting. But like I say, I've put another laser in, and I'm not finding any errors. I didn't find any errors on the first one. So let me just do a push play on this one. Hang on, let me just turn this machine on, and then you can see it all playing there. So I'll just turn that volume up. So I'm not getting any errors there. I'll turn that off. I'm just going to stick another one on there. I'm not going to go for every single CD, but I'm not getting any errors. So I honestly don't know what the problem is here. So yeah, it just seems really odd. I think, I still say that there's something wrong with this board. You've got a board error here somewhere. I've seen your repair work on that, so it could be anything. It could be anything. But all I can tell you is it's not that CD laser. Okay, 100%. Like I say, I've tested it here. I've had zero problems here, and I'm using the same board that you're using in that jukebox to play these CDs. It's just a standard TDA board. There's nothing special about it. So that's going to go back to you tomorrow. So yeah, okay. Thanks very much.